Please do not interfere with people's religions. Hey everyone, I need to make something clear. If you constantly interfere with other people's religion, or their lack of religion, please stay away from me. Your beliefs are yours, mine are mine. Faith is personal, and no one has the right to force, judge, or pressure others into a belief system. I want people around me who respect boundaries, differences, and freedom of belief. If you can't do that, you cannot be my friend. It's that simple. Anyways, Ryu out.